The watch you are wearing right now just became a piece of history. For the last few years, we've seen incremental updates, small shifts in brightness, and minor battery tweaks. But today, the game hasn't just changed, the board has been flipped over. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 is here, and it is the most aggressive, most technologically advanced piece of hardware ever to be strapped to a human wrist. This isn't just a smartwatch. It's a survival tool, a medical-grade health monitor, and a communication hub that makes the original Ultra look like a prototype. If you are an athlete, an explorer, or just someone who demands the absolute pinnacle of what technology can offer, you need to stop everything. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we are going to explore why the Ultra 4 is the most controversial yet necessary upgrade in Apple's history. We are going to look at the silicon, the sapphire, and the secrets Apple buried deep in the spec sheet that they aren't even talking about in the commercials. This is the ultimate deep dive into the machine that is about to redefine your relationship with time and health. Let's talk about the first thing that hits you when you see Ultra 4, the presence. Apple has managed to do something impossible. They've made the watch thinner, yet more rugged. They've moved to a grade 5 aerospace titanium alloy that is virtually scratch-proof. But the real headline is the display. We are looking at the world's first 4000 nit micro-LED screen on a wearable. Think about that for a second. That is brighter than most high-end televisions. Whether you are in the blinding white snow of the Rockies or the direct, punishing sun of the Mojave Desert, this screen doesn't just show you data, it screams it at you with perfect clarity. There is zero glare, zero washout, and a refresh rate that drops to 1 Hz to save every drop of battery, or ramps up to 120 Hz for fluid animations that feel like they are floating on top of the glass. But the beauty is only skin deep. Underneath that sapphire crystal lies the S10 chip, the first wearable chip built on the 2-nanometer process. This is where the Ultra 4 leaves the competition in the dust. This chip is so powerful that it doesn't just track your heart rate. It uses predictive AI to analyze your cardiovascular trends weeks before a problem arises. We are talking about a neural engine that is 30 times faster than the previous generation. It's running local machine learning models that can translate speech in real time, even when you are miles away from a cell tower and completely offline. This is the God mode of smartwatches. It doesn't rely on the cloud. The power is right there on your arm. Now, let's get into the feature that has the entire medical community in the USA talking: the non-invasive biosensing suite. For a decade, the holy grail of wearables has been blood glucose monitoring and advanced hydration tracking. With the Ultra 4, Apple has finally cracked the code. Using a sophisticated optical sensor that sits deeper against the skin, the Ultra 4 can provide real-time hydration levels and metabolic trends. Imagine being on a marathon or a long-distance hike and having your watch tell you exactly when your electrolyte levels are dipping, before you even feel the fatigue. This isn't just convenience, it's a performance revolution. It's like having a team of sports scientists living in your watch, constantly monitoring your blood chemistry and telling you exactly when to push and when to recover. But what about the adventurers? The people the Ultra was originally built for? Apple hasn't forgotten you. The Ultra 4 introduces dual-frequency GPS 2